Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment and taking the first actionable steps. You must use a secondary test account to avoid harming your main profile. Once logged in, install a user script manager like TamperMonkey and enable it. Then open the browser developer console with F12 and navigate to the page you want to automate. Make sure you understand Facebook limits and that you won't violate terms. This is why you test. Finally, create a new user script placeholder so you can paste the automation logic next. Now you implement the core automation logic and explain how it works. You will select the page elements matching Facebook's like buttons and simulate click events. Do this by querying the DOM and iterating through results. To avoid detection and errors, add randomized delays and a strict rate limit between clicks. This mimics human behavior. Once done, test the routine in the console on a single post to verify selectors. Then refine timing and element selection until the script reliably clicks only intended targets. Finish by installing and running the script in controlled sessions and explain why each final step matters. You should enable the user script in your manager, run short batches, and watch for errors or unexpected behavior. Make sure to log actions so you can audit what was liked. If Facebook changes its UI, update the selector logic. Once done, increase delays and reduce frequency to lower detection risk. If you get blocked, pause automation immediately, wait, and then reassess your approach before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.